Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best party supplies to make your celebrations unforgettable. Today, we're diving into one of the best shark-themed photo booth props available on the market, the Konsait Shark Photo Booth Props. If you're planning a birthday party, a Shark Week event, or just want to add some jawsome fun to your next gathering, these props are a must-have. Let's take a closer look at the Konsait Shark Photo Booth Props set. With 25 different pieces, this set has everything you need to create hilarious and memorable moments at your party. It comes with a variety of ocean-themed props, including shark fins, shark teeth, funny mustaches, and even cautionary signs like, "Bite me," and "Danger." You'll find props featuring hammerhead sharks, great white sharks, and even surfboards, all designed to enhance your party experience. Whether you're hosting a kid's birthday party or a beach-themed gathering for adults, these props are perfect for anyone who loves the ocean or sharks in general. Assembling these props is quick and easy. All you need to do is use the included adhesives to attach the bamboo sticks to the cutout props, and you're ready to go. No need for extra tools or complicated instructions. Just follow the simple process and enjoy the fun. The high-quality cardboard ensures the props are sturdy enough to last through several party photo ops, making them reusable for future events. Plus, the materials are lightweight and easy to handle for both kids and adults. The Konsait Shark Photo Booth Props set isn't just for photos. It can also serve as a fantastic decorative touch for your party. You can use these props as fun centerpieces in vases, or even add them to your candy jars to create a shark-themed atmosphere. These props help create an engaging and interactive party environment, allowing guests to snap goofy pictures and share them, creating lasting memories. Whether you're hosting a small get-together or a large event, this set adds a fun and exciting element to your party. When it comes to party supplies, it's all about having the right accessories to make the event memorable. The Konsait Shark Photo Booth props stand out with their ocean theme, making it perfect for anyone looking to throw a shark-themed bash or just wanting to add a bit of aquatic fun to their celebration. So, if you're looking for a unique way to get your guests involved and entertained, this prop set is definitely worth considering. To wrap things up, the Konsait Shark Photo Booth Props set is an excellent choice for anyone wanting to elevate their party with creative and entertaining photo opportunities. It's easy to assemble, fun for all ages, and perfect for themed events. So, if you're ready to create some jawsome memories, this set should be at the top of your party supply list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more amazing product reviews. See you next time.